Hello, Cartoon Animator user. Yes, today I would like to free this scene. Yeah, snow fin, snow scene. Yeah, you can use this in your project that I get from free pick. So I would like to create it to free pick also in description, and you can download the file in description also. So please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell also. Yeah. Thank you. And now I would like to prepare this scene. So I use okay, I click and adjust this scene, yeah, to back like this. So I click 3D this one, yeah, 3D view. So I would like I can drag cloud, something like that, and snow, yeah, tree, yeah, this one. Look like that, and this one, and tree. Okay, now I close 3D view. So I would like to adjust this. Yeah. Okay, not too big, so it should if bigger, so it's let your computer slow. Okay, this increase size also. Okay, when this finished, so I would like to lock this. Okay, and this one I'll lock that. This cloud. Okay, and lock that one. Okay, this tree. Okay, and click Control to copy this one to another. Control T, yeah, copy. Okay, Control T. Okay, Control T again. Okay. Now it look better. Yeah. um, okay, bring forward to this. Maybe this one. Okay, finish this scene. Okay, I hope you love this one, and you can download it for free, so you can just animate like a lion. So character lion, click L. Okay, this lion finish row 3. Okay, and just animate walking to this. No, so walking. Object related track, and we click this lion, click motion, click transform to open this one. 120 frames, so he can walk like this too. Okay, and next, so maybe around 350 around there, and we drag to share. Simple and easy. Okay, here a little bit up. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you can use you love this one. Yeah, enjoyed it this scene, new scene. So I would like to add custom, and you can download it for free. Okay, thank you guys. See you next tutorial. Bye bye.